In this tutorial, we will see how to code a bottom sheet in your Flutter application. A bottom sheet is nothing but a new way of navigating in your application through a sheet rising from bottom to top. So here you can see exactly what is a bottom sheet. So here this particular sheet coming from bottom having the options like favorite settings, profiles, so you can add your own options here. For this tutorial sake I have added them. So let us see how we have made this particular sheet. Also there are few libraries we can use to make bottom sheets, but in this particular tutorial I have not used any library. I just want to make a default way of creating a bottom sheet, and if you want to make any library use, do let me know in the comment section below. I will surely make a tutorial on it for you to understand. So here, starting from void main, creating a default class which is extending a stateless widget. We have specified our title as bottom sheet here, and these are all the primary colors which we specify for our application. And under my home page we have created a state, and here we have returned a scaffold inside which we have an app bar. There we have specified a title. So inside the body we have taken a center tag so that our bottom sheet button which you are seeing will be in the center of the screen. So here we have considered a raised button, so on press we make this functionality work. So now let us see the bottom sheet. So here we have specified a bottom sheet. So you can see the show model bottom sheet, inside which we have passed the context. So you can see from on press we have passed the context so that we can use it inside the model bottom sheet. And we have considered a container, providing a padding, sufficient padding inside, and making the decorations like circular things and all these things. I mean, depending upon your screen and design requirements, you can alter them to your own needs. And here we are specifying data in terms of list tiles. You can see here the icon, the text, these are particular tiles which we specify in the list. So I have specified some three tiles here. So for the first one is more, just for the sake of heading I have specified here. You can specify your own things like which is related to your application. And the first tile is favorite, so I have specified an icon and a color for it, and the size of the icon, and the text of the title here. So the same way we have considered the other three options too, like settings, profile, and the logout. Here you can see we have also provided a divider line. If you can see, after the profile there is a small line here. If you observe, there is a small line. So just for the design sake or to separate your modules, you can use the divider line here. So this is the way of implementing a bottom sheet in your Flutter application, and the detailed code for this tutorial is available in the description section below. And if you are having any queries related to the implementation of bottom sheet, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and hit on the notification bell icon to get the freshly brewed content